So this is how you're gonna make a real not bad airplane. So first off, you fold these, and then you do it again. But are you still with me? Yes, you are. So that's good. And then you fold it again.
Yes, you
2 times. And then are you still with me? Oh, that's good. And then you fold it up. And then you do 2 like this.
But you have to go like that.
And then you do it another time. And then you get it from here, and then you get some scissors, and then cut the wings 5 times. 5 times on each side, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is how you make the best airplane. So if you want to see, well, it's not that good. It's a bit bad. It's a bit good. Well, if you want to see, then look at this. Booyah!